everything just went blank.
Video. It is early morning right now, bro, and I'm getting some gas. Right now, I gotta make my way all the way to Corona to go get something installed. You guys will see in just a little bit, bro. But I'm really excited to get this done because I've been wanting to do this for a minute. Since actually like last year since I've seen it. Alright, now we got the E85 pumping. Everything's chilling, but the car is looking pretty clean, not gonna lie. It's not dirty, it's not filthy. A little dusty, but still no lip on the bumper. Eventually we'll get a new bumper soon. Don't know when, hopefully next month or the month after that, but I'm really trying right now. I'm really trying, bro. Man, check this dude out. He's living life. That thing's nice too. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. Jared lives in a nice ass neighborhood, bro. But we have arrived, guys, and just gonna show you guys straight up right away. Look at these pieces, bro. Jared got done. And we're gonna be changing up the whole interior from the main dash side, the cup holders, even the leg piece to the side on the driver's side. Look at this. So clean, even the stitching on the sides. Look at that. Crazy. We got the before right here. This is the A91 that comes with the blue stitching, and then we got the after with the Alcantara. Wow, I'm totally upset. I just barely realized it right now that my settings were set to the DJI mics that I had. So you guys probably didn't hear anything I said at the beginning of the vlog while I was driving over here. All bad. But now I got it fixed. Everything's all good. But the before and after looks insane, bro. Just look at it. You can tell the difference. The Alcantara just looks so clean. I mean, the leather is nice too, but I mean, you just can't go wrong with the Alcantara. It just looks really good. But hopefully you guys can hear me now because my settings was all messed up. And this is how the Supra looks with no center just in the middle. No ignition button either. Hey. Damn, shout out to Antoine though, bro. He did these lights pretty fire. Cause look, they're still on there too. Pretty sick. The before and after. It's massive difference. Like this just pops more for whatever reason now. Just cause like the plastic pieces, it just gives it that pop instead of that leather.
Yeah, nice and smooth.
Put
some
so
stitching
good.
on the
stitching on the sides too. This doesn't have it. He added that. Fire touch. Shout out to the homie Jared right here. They're trying to take out that one panel right here, but they're struggling with that clip because it doesn't have a clip to pop off. Ta-da! Finally got it, bro. After like a minute of struggling, damn. Damn. You got it though, you got it.
Finally, man, finally.
Was it
that last minute step?
Yeah, bro. Just for it to clip back in. Just all that work for it to go back just in place real easy. Right, yeah. Crazy. Yeah, it'll just go right on top. Yeah, okay. This is what Alex was telling me about. But they gotta remove the center. The center console is out.
You got a little peanut in there.
What the hell? How the hell does someone put a peanut in here? This is how your Supra looks with no center console. Or radio. Or anything in the middle. It's all gone. Damn. This would be a good time to get everything all cleaned up and wiped down, huh? All nice and wiped down, all dusty. That's how you know it's dusty, because there's a Toyota logo right there. That's probably the first Toyota logo I've seen in this car. That's crazy. Let's find out. So apparently this is the hard part, they said, putting it back in. And these were all my stock pieces, so here's all the letter. This didn't even have stitching on the side like the way Jared added it. I don't even think this has stitching on the side either. Jared's telling me he has his door done in Alcantara. How long did it take you to do your doors, Jared?
You have to, there's like a plastic piece in the back. You get the plastic, or you have to like break the welds because it's plastic welded on.
Oh shit.
And then do the Alcantara, and then after that, because like this whole thing right here, all this is Alcantara, and then this is Alcantara, and then we did a stitching, and then just left this like plastic.
Why'd you leave this plastic?
I don't know, just to kind of like
keep kicking it.
Yeah,
because mine's all
it's a little
scratched up.
different material, you know.
Yeah. Oh,
like
that's true. Yeah.
Leather and then this little.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, finished up, and bro, just look at it. Everything. To the sides right here, you see the door, the stitching on here. Y'all see this? Even the cup holders. The stitching looks so good too. We are back on the road, yo, and hey, yo, what the fuck is up with this Honda? And yo, huge shout out to Jared and his homie. I forgot his name, I'm sorry, I'm just bad with names. But huge shout out to them for installing the full Alcantara interior in here. So we got the dash right here. I don't know what you would call this right here. We got this center panel, we'll say, right here. In Alcantara, we got the side right here. We got this side right here as well. We got on the center console as well with the cup holders. Bro, everything looks so good. And I'm just like excited because it just changed up the interior in here. It's like a slight little detail, you know? Like it's if you know, you know. Like once you look inside the car, you'll be like, damn, Alcantara here, Alcantara there. Sick. But again, huge shout out to them. Huge shout out to Jared. I'll leave his Instagram link down description down below, so you guys can hit him up and see if you guys want to get yours done. I'm pretty sure you guys will, because he does like all types of stitching too. It doesn't have to just be blue. Whatever stitching you want, he'll do for you. He'll send you like swatches and all that, so you guys can get an idea. He made it real easy, real smooth, and huge shout out to him. It literally took probably like 2 to 3 weeks, but I think mine took like 2.5 maybe. I'll show you guys more, give you guys more of a montage when I get outside the car. But it's so sick. Alright, so we're kind of outside, you know. I pulled over because my hood was acting up again, but look at the interior, guys. It just looks so good. The Labubu. But everything in here just looks fire. I can't get over it. Just look at that. Subtle, but yet makes a difference. I like it. Now we're on this side, but just look at even everything to the stitching, guys. Like, it just all came out so good. I think it looks sick. Now we're headed home, and let's get my girlfriend's reaction, see if she likes it. Okay, guys, we're officially home. Well, I've been home for a minute already, but I already ate. Shout out to my boo thing, because she made me a nice breakfast sandwich. But now we're gonna go to the mall to take care of the boo thing. She's like, what do I give?
What am I looking at? But I see it. It's right there.
You're looking at this.
Oh, that too?
That on the
like
side.
This too?
Yeah, that too.
Oh, I thought that was already like that.
No,
wow.
Everything's Alcantara but this. Yeah.
Oh, I like
Wow.
Tomorrow.
This is Z06. Damn. You guys are probably wondering where we're at. It's the next day, and we decided to come to Supercar Sundays out here at Pierce College by my area. And got a couple of cars, some Hondeezes and all that, but we got a McCleasy and a Huracan right here, bro, looking good. Yeah, I think it just started too, and it's a different lot, because it's usually on some other lot. It's nice with the HKS intercooler in the front. But we look good too, shit, we look good. So we got the Subies outside today. Subies everywhere. I know you're cold. Go put on the sweater. Okay. Damn, Viper? Sheesh, that's sick. That's like an old school Viper. That is clean. The Jaguar, the Datsun. It usually gets more popping, but we're here pretty early, so we'll see if it gets popping. Yeah. Well, it started at 8, and it's like 8:40. Well, about to be 9, and I'm pretty sure people are just confused on where it's supposed to be at. But they got a whole ass boat over here on wheels. What the hell? This is real life SpongeBob. They got the boatmobile. What the F? Yo, this truck is clean. I don't even know how he keeps the sidewall so clean like that. How did you do that? Probably ignores all type of water spills or everything. Just keep that white sidewalk clean. Man, he has the little picket fence here too. That's so sick. The bed looks so good. Look how small the interior is. Holy. And it's stick shift too. That's sick. We got a purple GT3 looking beautiful as always. You guys know the GT3s just look good next to the Ferrari. I believe it's a 458 Spider. I could be totally wrong though. Don't know what it is. We'll go check it out right now. Yeah, this thing looks beautiful. Oh, that black one, dude. That one looks good over there. So sick. I'm a goofy goober. If I said 458, I meant 488. I thought I said 488, but it didn't process till right now. But look at what we see walking. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, I want one. That thing is clean. M2. I want. We're not gonna have yet. We're not gonna have yet. Oh, but the boatmobile, yo. The boatmobile. Holy. Look at everything, how it's set up in here. This don't look safe to drive at all. Look at all the wiring and everything. That is crazy. Nah, this is insane. Insane. I bet this ain't safe to drive at all, bro. All them wires exposed like that. Then we got the Aston Martin. I believe this is the Vantage. I could be wrong, but this color is nice. This orange with the black stripe. Carbon fiber. Oh, it's so clean. Oh, it's a carbon fiber hood, so that's carbon. My fault. Carbon roof too. Don't know what model this is. Oh, it was a Vantage. I knew it. Haha. Looks good though. That rear right here, that looks good. What the hell is this? It looks like it came from Europe. Front emblem. But this thing looks weird. But it's sick. You see some. What? The Viper? Dang, she said it looked like a Supra from here. What do y'all think? Yeah. Just needs a nice little fresh paint job and whew, they'll be balling, I bet. The convertible top, that's nice though. The Huracan. Jeez. It might be nice. And then we got the Miclisi. Yeah, I think it sounds nice too. Sheesh. Rich. Check out this NSX, man, and this thing is beautiful. I was just telling my girl right now, like, this is like a Honda supercar, bro. Really is, and it's so sick. And then there was just the old one, right over there. The older NSX, the red one, right over there. The differences don't even look the same anymore. I got another Corvette, a 300, another Z06 over there, clean. Check out this 340, and you know this boy is fast because look at the brakes he got. Upgraded brakes, full roll cage all around in the 340, and he got that 6 steering wheel that you can release. Oh, you can't really see because the window's glaring, but this is sick. Nice 340, my guy. That 335i, what? Loud as 335i. But this M2, man, you guys know how bad I want an M2, but it's not in the books right now, man. You got the nice steering wheel too with the forged carbon, clean. 6-speed manual too. Nice. Check out this beautiful M5 in this blue. It looks like a Portimao blue, but I could be completely wrong. This thing is beautiful. Big body, bro. And this thing is nice. It just looks good all around. On the HREs too. Beautiful car, man. Damn. Looks so good. Yo, check out this yellow S2000 though. That thing is beautiful. On the white wheels. I love me a S2000 on white wheels, man. Especially a yellow one. It just looks really good. We got a Hellcat red eye that just pulled up. Oh, not even a Hellcat, I'm sorry. A Demon. This is a Demon, bro. Demon just pulled up with, and this is stock, bro. They come stock with a drag pack like this fat, which is insane. But yeah, bro. Whole ass Demon. This thing is sick. You can just tell by the damn tires of how thick it is. This thing has so much torque, bro. It just wants to go. I bet it just lifts. I think it's nice. Got carbon buckets too. You got a little man in the back. Jeez. He even has the stock bumper too still. And he's still rocking it. Makes it look good. Do you guys hear that roar on this RS6? That thing is nice, bro. I love me an RS6. That thing is beautiful. So I decided to pull up to the 6th spot over here, bro. I think it looks so sick getting the Supra right here at this one spot. It's literally kind of by my house, just a little bit like of a 5-10 minute drive, but decided to pull it up here because I think the scenery just back here looks pretty dope and pretty nice, and why not get some flicks of the Supra for the Instagram and some of the Instagram reels. But she looked good, bro. She looked good. Obviously, I want to do some changes still. So let's talk about the changes that I want to do. So first of all, you guys know I want to change up this bumper because it has no lip. That's why I sold the lip to get the Agile bumper. So we're going to get that pretty soon. And then I'm also thinking about getting the Agile fenders side skirts, the V2 version. These are the Rec Speed fenders, but I low-key want to get rid of them and get the Agile ones because it comes complete with the side skirts all in one, so it looks really sick. So I think I might do that. So I might eventually sell these, the version 1 Agile side skirts and the Rec Speed carbon fenders. So I might sell those and get the Agile one. I don't know, it's just an idea that I'm kind of thinking about, but definitely do want to get the bumper though. I want to get the bumper. Hopefully I can get that by next month, hopefully, so we can have it for Toyota Fest and have like a nice little reveal for it. I think it'd be dope. But she's looking good, bro. When I see her in sceneries like this, I'm like, damn, she look good no matter what. Without a lip, with a lip, it look good. It just gives me that little monster truck look that I hate. But let me know what you guys think, bro. How does the Supra look so far? Like, is it time to change up the color? Should we put a wrap on it? Because, you know, blue look good, but I'm pretty sure it looked good with a different color. But what do you guys think? So is it time to change it up a little bit? Damn, the fitment looks so good right there. I think she looked really good regardless. Just look at this. Let's give a little montage for you guys. But yeah, guys, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and be part of the family, and stay up to date to the new videos. If you guys haven't yet watched the last previous videos, go watch them, go support your boy. They're a couple of bangers, but trying to stay up with the content, you know, trying to do more things with the Supra and all that, but I just gotta make a little bit more moolah. These parts are expensive, and you know, I got bills and all that to pay too, so bear with me, guys, bear with me. I'm trying to build the Supra as fast as I can, but I ain't got the bread like that, you know, to be dropping so much. But I appreciate everyone who's been watching the videos, supporting your boy and everything like that. It truly means the world. I appreciate it. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for your boy, and be part of the family. This has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.